As the political upheavals in Afghanistan continue after the Taliban seized Kabul, several visuals from the country is leaving the netizens in shock. Amidst disturbing images of Kabul International Airport that surfaced online on Monday, a video of people reportedly tying themselves to the wheel of a plane and falling to their deaths mid-air went viral. Several B-Town celebrities shared their concern. Anushka Sharma and Kangana Ranaut took to Instagram stories and shared the heart-wrenching video of people falling from the plane. Reacting to the upheavals in Afghanistan, Anushka shared the post and wrote, "This is heart-wrenching. No one should have to go through this." Kangana too shared the clip and wrote, "Jab jeena maut se behtar ho." Filmmaker Kabir Khan, on the other hand, in a recent chat with E-Times, spoke about facing death threats from the Taliban during the filming of Kabul Express. Kabir also spoke on the current Afghanistan crisis and the film industry of Afghanistan. Kabir said, "With the Taliban coming back, I have no idea what is going to happen to the film industry. I don't think they will be allowed to survive." Kabir Khan spoke about going to shoot a documentary in Afghanistan. He said, "During my visit to Afghanistan in 1996, before the Taliban had come to power, I was shooting the documentary, and every day the Taliban used to shell the city. Rockets would be fired and they would land all over the place. It was dangerous, and at that point we left Kabul and came back. 2 months later, the Taliban had taken over Kabul. We couldn't go back for 5 years. Rhea Chakrabarti, Sonu Sood, Arman Malik, among others, had earlier appealed to the netizens to pray for Afghanistan. Sharing her concern for the safety of women, Rhea Chakrabarti had earlier written, "While women around the globe fight for pay parity, women in Afghanistan are being sold. They have become the pay. Heartbroken to see the condition of women and minorities in Afghanistan. Urge the global leaders to stand up to this. Hashtag smash the patriarchy. Women are human too." Though the exact number of deaths has not been divulged by the officials yet, thousands of Afghans rushed to the Kabul International Airport, desperate to escape the Taliban capture of their country. Many held onto an American military jet as it took off.